There is a tab on the top of the user interface that allows you to access the phone book for the whole company. So if we click on that and we type voice speed, for example, the system is going to match that keyword against all the fields in the database. In particular, here finds a match with the name, surname, and company name. And I have, of course, access to all the information for the contact. I just edit the contact with all the information there, and I can make that contact as a favorite. When I do that, of course, I can either click here, or more simply, I click on the star. Let's see what happens next time I go into that tab. The system automatically shows the favorite contact, which means I can call them immediately with a click of a button. It's a bit like speed dials I would have on my phone. So I click and call them. Okay. If I want to add a new contact, press plus on the top right here. Can add name, surname, all the details for the company, and I can decide, is that contact a personal contact or is it visible to everyone? It can be edited by anyone. If I tick these boxes, then of course everyone has access to the contact. I can also make it as a favorite.